6 News.
Welcome back. It is 9:53, and before we end this newscast, let's bring it back to the flooding this past weekend that resulted in multiple deaths and widespread damage across Kentucky.
Christian Appalachian Project is stepping up to support and assist recovery efforts in communities in need. President and CEO Jennifer Stolo joins us this morning to tell us more. Good morning, Jennifer.
Good morning.
All right. I'm glad that we finally got a hold of you. Can you start off by just telling us how CAP has responded to this disaster so far?
Yes, CAP is always here to support our neighbors and stand with communities during times of crisis like we saw over the weekend. And we are proactive. We come in with the immediate needs, but then also the evolving needs and long-term support. So just yesterday, we sent our teams out to assess all of the needs and the support that is needed out there and deploy what we call our rapid relief tier 1 efforts, particularly yesterday in Jackson County, bringing pallets of water, cleanup buckets, perishable foods, essential items, and that was done out of our CAP Jackson County pantry.
And what have your teams on the ground seen damage-wise in these communities that have been so badly hit?
Yeah, what we do is we assess, especially homes. We saw about 30 homes. Thank God, it's not as bad as we've seen, obviously, in the past, but essentially, lives have been lost, right? And damage has been done. And so that we come in as CAP and we bring in that personal care, the cleaning, sanitation materials, all kinds of recovery kits so that we can help people as they go through this situation. Our home repair projects and our pantries and all of our other networks that we have that partner. We had a wonderful volunteer group from Ohio come down and support those efforts yesterday over at our Jackson County food pantry.
And Jennifer, as you know, a huge thing with CAP is not only helping with the physical needs, but also the mental health and emotional needs of the community. How are they all holding up there?
Yeah, we have a wonderful counseling program, and we are very fortunate that CAP is able to deploy that as well, too. So we have so many services that really create that wraparound service in order to help those people in Appalachia, particularly here in Jackson County and other affected areas. But, it's a very difficult situation, right? When we have crisis and disaster like this, it's not only the physical situations that we see, but the emotional needs. And so CAP is there to help and support through our counseling services.
And I know when something like this happens, people often ask themselves, what can I do to help people in need? So what can they do to support you guys in your efforts to help these people when you're on the ground helping them?
Reaching out to us at christianapp.org, supporting us, in this case, our pantries, the donations that come through our pantries, the donations that financially come through our website, those continue to help and support the efforts out there. So going to christianapp.org is really a way to reach out and help and deploy and coordinate with us at CAP.
All right, Jennifer Stolo with Christian Appalachian Project, thank you so much for chatting with us this morning. We appreciate it.
Thanks.
Thank you.